Hey guys, it's Matthew here. I'm trying to do some templates for fidget spinners of my own design stuff. So I will show you them and tell me what you think. Here they are. Here is a Dude Perfect one that I created. And then as you can see right here, there's also a Beyblade Burst one. So it's not exactly perfect, but it meets my standards and everything. Um, so I will try to read your comments below and everything. Yeah. So if you guys have any ideas for me and everything, just let me know in the comment section below. So yeah. See you guys later. Bye-bye.